What's up, pilots and drone fam? If you're new here, hey, I'm Neil J. We do crazy stuff with FPV drones. Today I came to fly the DJI Avara 2 to its limit. I'll be flying it low to the ground between trees as fast as I can. Hopefully it'll survive it, and hopefully my ego do too. So welcome aboard, buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. All right, go ahead and using the truck as a launching pad. Okay, start recording. I'm going to go manual mode, 30 degrees on the angle. Engine starts. Let's go. Alright, so I'm using those new props, the HQ props. Still trying to get used to them. I'm not really smooth yet on those props. Oh, did you see that drone? Someone is flying a drone over there. So I'm trying to get smooth flying. I'm not there yet, so still green. This is just exercise video. Trying to smooth my movements, and I figure flying between trees would be the best thing to do, of course. Like I said earlier, hopefully my ego will survive it. Ooh, that was very low branches. I didn't see them till I got actually very close to them. Yeah, those props fly totally different. I'm trying to get used to this as much as I can. Last time I flew this area was in the Master Air Screw props. I was very comfortable with it. I'm not as comfortable right now. But I'm getting there. I'm building my self-confidence with them. I really like him. Coming from a dive, they're really good at that. Yeah, to tell you the truth, I am still nervous flying them. I still need to build a lot of self-confidence. So we do this gap here, nice. Even though my hands were shaking. Trying to stay as close as possible to the ground. literally hugging the ground. That's fast. That's very fast. I wonder if you like this type of flying. Do you like to fly low between trees? I think that's a lot of fun. I know John, the GNE Tex, Drone Tex, does this all the time. He's very comfortable doing it. I got inspired by him really, by doing that. He was my inspiration when I first started doing this. I really respect that guy. He flies them all the time very low like this to the ground. I get tired doing it, honestly. Right now, like, I'm itching to go up high and do some maneuvers. And the reason why, because I'm really tired. My fingers are like, they get stiff because I'm nervous all the time. Anyways, that's it for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. I feel a little bit more comfortable. I need to come more and do more of this. All right, it's back. Let me go ahead and get it. I know I keep talking about those props. I'm really so excited about them. They fly really good. You know, I have to increase my rate to flying better. I'm not quite sure what the reason is. I can tell you they fly better, but I can't really tell you exactly why. And I'll keep flying and keep letting you know how things going. And I hope you enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and any question you have, please leave it down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.